Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine Bake a Cake. The mini on the losing end of the track will fall into an ingredient used to make a cake. And once we have a winner, all the ingredients will be combined and put in the oven. Today's competing engines are Glenn, so handle Edward, James, Thomas, Henry, Hero, and Emily.
I love cake. I can't wait. This is going to be so much fun. Ouch. Oh, this is so embarrassing. I hope nobody saw that.
Round 1, Glenn versus Emily.
Oh, well, at least landing in flour was kind of soft. It would be nice to see, however.
And now, so handle versus Hero.
What did I say? Milk doesn't bother good. Help, I sunk to the bottom. I don't think I can drink all of this. Someone get me out of here. Help.
Next up, Edward versus Henry. Whoa! Doable.
Oh, please be sugar, not soap. It's sugar, yummy.
Finishing up round 1, James versus Thomas.
Ow! What is this stuff anyway? Oh, baking powder? That makes sense. You gotta have that in a cake. Hey, whoa! What's going on here? Is it snowing? Oh, salt.
Semifinals, Glenn versus So Handle.
Ew, what is this? It's all greasy. Ew, it's shortening. Yuck. I'm never gonna get this out of my wheels. Never.
Who will face Glenn in the finals? Will it be Edward or James?
Oh, no, my mechanical parts should not be getting wet. This vanilla has resulted in a major malfunction.
Final round, Edward versus Glenn.
Oh no, of course I get the egg. All slimy and gooey. Ugh, yuck. This'll never wash off. What's happening? What's that big thing up there? Is that a Peter? No, I don't know. What is going on here?
Look out below.
Cannonball!
Don't forget the baking powder and salt.
You can't bake a cake without sugar.
You gotta have flour power.
Hey guys, why do you think we're in this bowl? What do you think's gonna happen? I'm not so sure about this.
We're all doomed!
Wait, what is gonna happen here? Oh my god!
Oh, no. I can't take any more! I think it's finally stopping. Is everyone okay?
Over here! I'm not okay! I got flung out of the bowl and hit against the wall and made a mess everywhere! Ugh, yuck! This batter is so gross!
I am afraid that we are going to get baked next. Ow!
Ow!
Watch it!
Hey, look out! Ow! Oh!
I don't want to go in the oven! You can't do this to us! Yeah, minis are not healthy to eat. I require engine coolant immediately.
Oh, that wasn't too bad. Sure is yummy now.
Can we go home now? Oh, come on. When does it ever stop? Enough already.
Yellow frosting. I don't even like the color yellow. It does not look good on me. Oh, come on, guys. This is enough. Yummy. This frosting is actually quite yummy. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, come on, not on my face.